Peace, family. Good morning to some, grand rising to the others. We back here about Luke Oil. Well, just leaving Luke Oil. As y'all can see, that's smoke right there, burning from the trash incinerator here. But we was right here at Luke Oil here, off 9th and Holland. At the Rite Aid over there. But look at this smoke here, y'all. That smoke burning from the trash incinerator. Back in the day, this was the old fruit stand here. Then they changed it, then they sold it. Then it was a sneaker place, Ernie Sneakers. Then I guess he sold it. He seen a decline happening in Chester, so he sold the building. But I'm gonna swing around here, y'all. We went this way yesterday. That's James Street alleyway there. I'm gonna swing around here, get the food truck. I told one of the subscribers I'd get the food truck right here. Shout out to the Queen. Food truck right here. This sits on 9th Street, y'all. Right down the street from Luke Oil. Sonia, I believe that's her name. She got the best food in the city, y'all. Best food truck in the city. Right here. Best food truck in the city right here, y'all. Whenever y'all in Chester, come get a Queen to play. She got the best food truck right here in the city, y'all. Right here. Shout out to the Queen. Sylvia's. Here it is here, y'all. Whenever y'all in the city and y'all want some good food, catch Miss Sylvia. A hell of a queen, too. Beautiful queen. She been on her grind for a minute. I see the smoke from the trash incinerator. But Sylvia's right here, y'all. Y'all most definitely got to check her out. Her food is the bomb. Straight up. That queen right here, y'all. She most definitely get her cook on. She most definitely get her cook on, y'all. And it sits right across from the Rite Aid on 9th Street. And that's Holland Avenue right there, 9th and Holland. Can't miss the truck. You'll usually see a pile of people out here. Facts. That's the smoke from the trash incinerator. Grand rising, Sunra. Grand rising, beloved. And y'all know over there, that Silver Campus over here. Silver Campus. Urgent care. Right here, y'all. It's pretty cool up in there too, y'all. They kind of quick with their service over there, too. It's like an urgent care and shit. It's the Bernadine Center here, y'all. It's the Bernadine Center. Well, you can come get, guess they give out free food here, too, y'all, sometimes. They give out free food here. It's located on 9th Street. February schedule. It's on 9th Street, y'all. right across from Silver Campus. Urgent care, rather. It's the Bernadine Center right here. Y'all seen the hours, right? But that sits right across from urgent care, formerly known as Community Hospital, formerly known as Sacred Heart. Ah, man. Sun coming out this morning, y'all. Sun peeking his head out this morning. Sunrise. But yeah, y'all, I had uploaded 2 videos. One was from a young king that got shot where George Floyd got choked out by those police officers. And they had a no-knock search warrant. You know what I mean? He was in his house, he was in his crib, sleeping on the couch when they had that no-knock search warrant. You know what I mean? I guess when they came in, they startled him, and he grabbed his gun, which he was, the gun was registered to him. And when the squad came in the door, he didn't know if somebody was breaking in his house or not, you know what I mean? Especially when they come with no knock search warrant. They got a key to your apartment, and they just come on in the wee hours of the morning. Of course you're gonna be, if you got a gun or something like that in the crib, of course you're gonna grab your shit. It's the entrance here, y'all. It's the entrance here. When you go to urgent care, you come in right here, and you go in the back there. Like I said, the service there is pretty quick. You get x-rays and MRIs and everything in there. But like I said, they had no knock search warrant when they entered the Young King apartment. And shit, you know what I mean? He probably thought it was somebody breaking in. Especially if they ain't knock, you know what I mean? Grand rising, beloved. Grand rising, sunrise. They just came on up in the king crib, so he grabbed this heat, which he didn't have his hand on the trigger, as y'all can see that. And fucking squat. One of the officers shot him 3 times. Executed him, y'all. Make sure y'all get y'all COVID shot. Here's the number here with the extension. For those who need a COVID shot, you can call today, set up your appointment, get your COVID shot. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, they entered the Young King crib, and they shot him. See what I'm saying? It's called a no-knock search warrant. Well, I guess they get the key from the apartment complex people. The manager from the apartment complex. And they just enter your shit. See what I'm saying? That'll startle anybody. I don't give a fuck who you is. That'll startle anybody. You hear somebody coming in your crib. And as you can see, looked like he stayed by himself because he was in the front room. Sleep. You know what I'm saying? And then I shot that other video with a former New York mayor, a gunman, came to his crib. You know what I mean? Y'all seen the video. For those who didn't see it, when I said white privilege, I titled the video White Privilege. Because that gunman had a fucking AR-15 and I believe a 45 or a Desert Eagle, a 40. He had an AR-15 in a Desert Eagle and took the housekeeper hostage. You see what I'm saying? I think that was in Colorado. The former mayor of New York. This Memorial Park, y'all. We did that yesterday. We covered that yesterday. But he took the housekeeper hostage. But they didn't blow him away. You see what I'm saying? That's why I labeled that white privilege, because it was a white dude who did that shit. You see what I'm saying, y'all? And then when the cops get shot, they blow it all out of proportion about this, that, and the third. When the cops get executed or shot. Oh, we ain't gonna tolerate this, we gonna do this, we gonna do that. But y'all done executed the young king sleeping on his couch. You see what I'm saying? So is it really police reform happening? Hell no. We down here at ghetto car heaven. Ghetto used car heaven down here, y'all. Nissan, couple trucks. It's Melvin knows income tax season. Look how much he jacked the price up on this Audi SUV. Look at that, y'all. $86.50. Come on, Melvin. $86.50. Look at the bumper, y'all. They got them ties holding it, holding the bumper up. Right here. That's holding the bumper up. Look at that. Fucking headlight. Ready to come out. See it? Compared to this one. Melvin think he gonna get $86.50 for this. 2011. And he got a Nissan right here for $89.50. $89.50. $2013. What is it? Pathfinder. Nissan Pathfinder 2013 for $89.50. I wonder how many miles on it. Still not worth that. You can go to the car dealer, to the Nissan dealer, and get a 2022 Nissan Pathfinder with half that money down on it. You put about $5,000 down on it, you'll get a 2022 brand new Nissan Pathfinder. See what I'm saying? $24.50 for this joint here. Across. Buick LaCrosse and shit. Right across from M&A's, y'all. 2004 for $2,400. An Acura. Look like he got $34.50 on the window. Look like it been hit. Look at the hood. But the hood wasn't shut. Volvo next to it, 2008 for $28.75. Another Volvo sitting here, 2006 for $25.75. Got a big ass dent in the door. right here. Big ass dent. A S80. And that's the smaller version there. Then got a E350 Benz 2009 for $49.50. Right here, y'all. (2009) E350 for $49.50. Wonder what type of miles on this joint. Look like it got black mirrors on there. Got black mirrors on there, y'all. $28.50 for this joint. Chrysler. 2008. Mirror hanging off. On the driver's side. You got a Ford Taurus, a 04 Ford Taurus for $19.50. That's too much, Melvin. For an 04 Ford Taurus, come on, man. I know it's income tax season coming, but you trying to spank people. You trying to spank people before they even get their funds, man. Come on, man. This 04 Ford Taurus should be about $9.95. You know what I'm saying? $9.95 for this joint, man. Facts. Look like a Trailblazer here, 07. 07 Trailblazer for $25.75. Then you got the Cherokee, the 09 Cherokee next to it for $38.50. Like I said, this sit in between 9th and Townsend and 9th and Ingle, y'all. Right across from M&A's. It's M&A's over there. That's M&A's. You got the pharmacy there. Got the wireless phone spot there, right next to M&A. It's a 09 Cherokee. It's a 09 Cherokee here, y'all. Nissan van, look like the whole bumper at the bottom, all scraped up for $28.50, 2006. Probably a Nissan Quest or shit. And you got the Yukon, 2011 Yukon, say $59.50 on the window and shit. Right next to the Infinity SUV for $44.50. Man, my boy just brought one of these, but they don't look like this though. He ain't get it from here, y'all. This a 06. This a 06 here, y'all. He ain't get it from here. And that look like it needs shocks and shit in the back. Got a blew out tire back there. Then you got a 2011 Suburban for $68.50. It's almost an accident, y'all. Y'all heard that horn? Suburban for $68.50. That's too much. It's a Ford here. 2013 Explorer. 2013 Explorer for $58.50. Right next to the Q5 Audi, $74.50, 2012. Melvin done bumped his head for these prices, man. I see the inside of this joint. How many miles on it? 145,000. They leave the car doors unlocked and shit. For $74.50, 2012. I think that's too much, y'all. That's a little steep. But I ain't gonna spend too much time on these cars. Then it look like he got cars here. He ain't even marked them down yet. But I know you come back, he probably want like $74.50 for this joint. This BMW. X3. X3 BMW. It's clean. Got the doors locked on that. It's not marked down yet, y'all. Ain't no price on there. Most definitely clean. So I know he gonna went down there on. He gonna want your whole income tax for this. Facts. 2015. What the fuck is this? For $64.50. Let me see. I got y'all. Those who in the neighborhood looking for a car. An Impala. I know a Malibu. I'm sorry. A Malibu SS 2015. For $64.50. See all these prices on these cars, y'all can go to the car dealer and put half that money down on a brand new car. You're gonna have a note, but you're gonna have a brand new car with a warranty. You see, these cars ain't got no motherfucking warranty and shit. And he know goddamn well this 2010 with no door handle on the passenger side. Hyundai ain't worth no $29.50. You see what I'm saying? This is another $995 car here. So, like I said, Melvin just playing with the prices, y'all, because it's income tax season. He trying to milk y'all for y'all income tax. Most definitely trying to milk y'all for y'all income tax. These cars is priced too high, y'all. And like I said, most of them cars probably was in like flood damages and shit like that where they clinked them out. Y'all know this Turney Tires right here. Right across from Finza. This on 9th and Ingle, y'all. It's on 9th and Ingle. Turney Tire Service. 2001 Lexus for $19.75. Fucking bumper all fucked up. I ain't worth that. This car here probably only worth, how much you got on the window? $19.75. Got a cracked windshield, so you gotta put a windshield on it, get it inspected. Bumper fucked up. This car probably only worth about $1,000, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Got Ingle Auto across the street. Ingle Auto over here. He had some pretty clean cars over there. But you gotta catch him. He ain't never there. It's like you gotta catch that joker. Facts. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Car wash here. Right on the side of Turney Tires. Big business car wash. They do a good job here. They do a good job there, y'all. Yeah, y'all, but back to that video I titled white privilege. Y'all see the difference? How they had a no-knock search warrant and executed the 22-year-old brother, that the gun was legal in his name. And anybody come in your house that you don't hear them, damn, that junk tore up. Anybody come in your house and you know what I mean, unannounced and shit, of course it's gonna startle you. Had backed up to look at that smoke. Of course that shit gonna startle you, you know what I mean? And they ain't waste no time shooting that brother, man. 3 times. Killed him, executed him. But then you had the guy take the former mayor of New York. He was looking for his daughter. He was there looking for his daughter. He was gonna kidnap the former mayor's daughter. But she wasn't there, the housekeeper was there. So he ended up kidnapping the housekeeper. Took her to the Mac machine. Made her withdraw some money. You know what I mean? She cooperated. But then when the squad was called out, they took him into custody without no shots being fired. And that man had an AR-15 and I think a Desert Eagle. Come on, man. That's the difference between a brother and white privilege. You see what I'm saying? Benjamin Banneker over there, y'all, the Carter. It's on 7th and Engle. Now, y'all know we did the library yesterday, J. Lewis Crozier Public Library. This Memorial Park here with the tennis joint there. Like I said, we covered that yesterday. It's 7th Street we standing on, y'all. 7th and Engle. That's the tennis courts there. But I just wanted to get out this morning. I said I was gonna get Sylvia's food truck. Whenever y'all in the neighborhood in Chester, make sure y'all visit Sylvia's food truck. Trust me. Trust what I'm telling y'all. The Queen got some nice food up in there, y'all. Some food that make you want to slap your mama. Finger licking good food too, y'all. Finger licking food, good. All right. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, till the next time, peace.